Just quick little like how to do. Yeah, DIY subtraction. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna talk about subtraction today. So I have an example here. You can of course rewrite this as just like addition. You can rewrite it as form. That makes it easier for you. This is two, right? Because we have five little balls here, right? We're gonna take away two. We're gonna take away three of them. All right, we're only left with two, right? So it's two. All right. Not sure much how I can teach how this works, except you can with little numbers like nine up to nine, right? You can go up to 10, right? You can just draw little circles and then just cross out how many this thing is telling you to cross out. We have five in total of something, so we're taking away three of something, right? Of that something, right? Because this is what this little symbol means. It means we're taking away from the amount that we have, right? The amount we have is five. We're taking away three, so I took away three of them, and we're left with just two. That's basic subtraction right there. If we had bigger numbers, like let's say we had 23 minus 12, the way you would do this is you would look at it individually, like a column, right? You're gonna do three minus two. It's gonna be one, right? And then two minus one is just one, right? And we're left with 11. So our answer is 11. Let's say we had something like this, right? We cannot do this. We can't do 5 minus 6 because that'll give us a negative number. That'll give us negative 1. So what we do is, but we can't get a negative because we're subtracting a bigger number than by a smaller number. If you subtract a smaller number by a bigger number, so let's say we had again 16 minus 25, this, right? Something like this, we would get a negative number. All right, we can't have that because we're doing a bigger number, right? So we're going to have something left. We're not going to have negative with something left, right? The way you would do this is you would take one from the number left of this number. You would take one, so make this a 1, and you give it to this number. So this number now becomes a 15 because we gave 1 to 5, making it a 15, right? We gave it a literal 1, making it a 15. Now we do 15 minus 6, which is 9, and then we do 1 minus 1, which is 0. And our answer is 9. So that's basic subtraction, right? So if we had something like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 5, 8, 9, I don't know, 7, 9, something like this, right? Something like this. We would look at this individually, everything, right? Just do that. 7 minus 9, we can't do that. Take one from this. This will become a 5. This becomes a 17. 17 minus 9 is, of course, 8. 5 minus 7, we can't do that because 5 is smaller than 7. So we'll make this a 4. Make it a 15 up here. I mean, yeah, 15 because we got our new number is 5. So 15 minus 7 would be 8. And then 4 minus 9, you can't do that. So we're going to take one from this, make it a 3, make this a 14. 14 minus 9 is, of course, 5. 3 minus 8, we can't do that. So we're going to take one from this, make it a 2, make this a 13. 13 minus 8 is a 5, of course. And then 2 minus 5, can't do that. Make this a 1, go up here. 12 minus 5 is 7. A 1 minus 1 is 0. So our answer is 7, 5, 5, 8, 8. You can double check if you want on a calculator. One last example is if we have something like, let's say we have 105, let's say 2, no, that's not a good example. 105 minus, let's say 58. Now you can do this in your head if you want, or you can draw a bunch of circles out, or you could do it this way again. So 5 minus 8, we can't do that, but we go to 0. We can't give 1 to 5 from 0 because 0 is just 0, right? So what you do is when you come across a 0 like this, you're going to keep going until you find a number. The next number is, of course, 1. So we're going to take 1 from 1, 1 becomes 0. This becomes a 10, right? Because you gave it to, we got the 1 from this guy over here, right? And now because we have a 10, we can give it to this guy. So we make this a 9. Give the 1 to 15, right? And then we do 15 minus 8, which is 7. We got 9 minus 5, which is 4. Our answer is 47. Yeah, that's a quick little review on subtraction.